Hello guys, welcome back to the Flutter beginner series. So today I'll be showing us the normal conversion, the normal way to write your Flutter codes. If you watch my Flutter introduction, I talk about the auth restart and auth reload, and we also started this lesson. We have been, anytime we make a change, we have been coming down to our terminal and then pressing the auth restart, which is kind of stressful. So today I'll show you how to use the auth reload. So first things first, okay, before we get started, if you watch the video up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In fact, you should subscribe now so that you won't forget. Okay, now we can start. First thing, import your material app. Just press the import M and it will import it for you. Then create your function, your main function, which will run your app. That will be run app, and then inside here we have our app. So to create you'll be using a stateless widget today. Okay, we have two types of widgets. Actually, we have the stateless and the stateful widget, but for today we'll be using the stateless widget. In the next video I'll show us the difference between a stateful and a stateless widget, but for today we'll be making use of the stateless widget. So a shortcut, just write stateless, and yes, this is it. So yeah, let's just have my app as the name of the code we want to run. So inside our run app we'll have my app and then the function. Don't forget your semicolon here. So in the return here, we'll be returning our material app. Oh, I have typo here. And then here we have the home. So the home will then take the scaffold. And inside the scaffold you have your, let's just have our app bar for now, and then app bar, and here we have our title, which will be a text. Let me just text my, okay, don't forget your string, my app bar. And after this, let's come down here and give it a body. Our body, let's a center text, and here we have our child, right? I hope I'm forgetting this. We have our child here, which will be a text, and inside the text let's just have something like I am this is a stateless widget. This is a stateless widget, and why are we having scribbles lines here? Okay, I guess Flutter wants us to be adding const to it, or we can also leave it like this. If we save this and then run it, don't forget this will take a few minutes, so I'll just pause the video here and I'll resume when we run our app on the emulator. And here we have it, guys. So this is what we just did, what we just built here. And if I make a change here, let me remove the is, and if I save this, you see, instead of us coming here to press our auth restart, it's just doing the auth reload by itself. And if you check it now, you can see that it has reloaded. So this is the benefit of using this stateless, using this normal convention to build our app. And here is where we will stop, guys. This is where we'll stop. So in the next lesson we'll continue from where we stop with our normal Flutter beginner series. If you watch up to this point, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next lesson, guys.